Hi again, welcome to Explorer Travel and Product Reviews. So just earlier I was going to attach the GoPro to the new selfie stick which we got with the remote control, and I thought about what's the best way. Up on the original we could attach the GoPro with the two prongs and attach that to there, but then we're limited. We could adjust it and move it around, and I thought, well, hey, in all my years since the GoPro 3 Plus, I've never actually used the connector which comes with every GoPro. Came with the GoPro 12. We have a little plastic, and I'm going to use that so I can insert it on top of the connector, which has a 1/4 inch, and now we have the ball mount so we can actually use it a lot more. So let's give this a bit of a go. So I'm going to grab the old prongs and attach it. Don't we love our GoPro screw adapter and fiddling around? But here we are, going back to the past. In a way, I feel it's like going back to the past. And now we've attached the GoPro to, and what we're going to do is take the 1/4 inch mount off, and we're going to attach the ball mount with the GoPro extender. Nice and simple, and let's see how easy this is to give it a bit of a squeeze. Easier than what I thought. And now we have ultimate flexibility with the GoPro mount, where we can move the GoPro mount either way, and we have a tightening screw, so that's loose, and we just flick it down so it's fixed. Oh yeah, you can still move it, but I actually like that idea. And there we have our stick. We can adjust sideways if we needed to, this way. Is it a bit of a gimmick? I'm not sure, but I'm going to test this out over the upcoming future. Just make sure that's nice and tight, and there we go. It's worthwhile keeping your old GoPro accessories. Probably have about 20 of these. Anyway, that's it from our Traveller product reviews and products. The last item except for the mount, for the GoPro mount. Anyway, there we go. Okay, that's it. Bye from Explorer Travel and Product Reviews. Okay, welcome to Explorer Travel and Product Reviews. What I'm going to do now is see how quickly and easily we can connect the remote control to the actual GoPro 12. In the last video I attached with the infinitesimally movable ball mount, and that works really well. So let's turn on the GoPro, and we've turned it on. Notice, you might be able to see, but I've actually installed some GoPro Lab additional settings on this, and it actually displays a whole lot of other settings like ISO and shutter speeds, which is nice to check. So let's see if, without even doing any connections, if this is going to work. So as expected, I think we need to pair the remote. So let's go into preferences, is back there, sorry, my apologies. Pair device. So it's searching, it's found the aroma diffuser in the study, which is interesting. Now I've just pressed the power button on the actual remote button, so I'm going to do that again. It's now updating the remote, which is interesting. So there's obviously some firmware or software update happening. Be prepared for this for the first time. Updating remote. It's up to 88, 90, 91, 93. Update complete. Cool. And I've just pressed the mode button, and now it's recording on the GoPro 12. Just press the mode button again, it's now powering off. And there we go, the red button, very simple, one press operation, record, power button, and off. And supposedly it is waterproof, so probably down to 10 meters, I would imagine. Okay, anyway, that's it from Explorer Travel and Product Reviews. Nice and simple.